Hello everyone. In last lecture we studied the commodity introduction of commodity market, then introduction of derivative market. Today we are studying the main four steps, four steps, four part of commodity market. Main four step त्याच्यावरती उभा आहे कुठले चार फोर स्टेज आहेत त्याच्यावरती उभा आहे द मेन फोर स्टेज टाइप्स ऑफ कमोडिटी मार्केट ओके बिफोर दॅट वी स्टडी प्रिव्हियस स्टडीवर थोडं रिव्ह्यू घेऊया आणि त्यावरून आपण मग स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. The start here. The first is commodity derivative market. We know that unknown to us that the commodity have always been a part of our day-to-day existing and also one of the finance investment avenues available the way wheat in your bread, the cotton in your cloth, gold in your jewelry, fuel in that. In short, मी तुम्हाला थोडक्यात सांगितलं होतं commodity it means the raw material commodity is to make it your finished good. The discuss about the raw material business to making of your finished good. That financial market is effectively a financial market of any country. It's making economical growth, development, and etc. How can it make? You know that. In further study, you briefly study the types of commodity market: agriculture and non-agriculture. Agriculture is based on agriculture like seeds, then oil and other fresh oil, veg oil, and etc. The non-agriculture means precious material, base material, energy means electricity, base material, basic material, and precious material with prestigious material, etc. Then commodity trading, commodity markets. There are two types of commodity. Agriculture commodity, this is including grain, oil seeds, soybeans, chana, corn, etc. Then non-agriculture commodity, this including the metal like gold, silver, copper, and etc. Okay. Here some examples is here. Agriculture product like coffee, sugar, cocoa. Then also base material like copper, lead, zinc. In last lecture we can done it. आपण हे सर्व ऐकलेलं आहे. टुडे वी आर जस्ट रिवाइज बिकॉज मोर दॅन 4 days मध्ये गॅप आहे कमोडिटी अँड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मार्केटला. तर रिवाइज करतोय की आपण काय झालंय आणि काय बघणार आहोत. Then precious material. Precious material means gold, platinum, silver. They are the precious material. जे तुम्हाला increasing your standard by your boldness. Okay. Then energy material, the crude oil, nature and natural gas, and etc. Okay. Then here commodity exchange in India. The currently 24 commodity exchange in India. Okay, NCM, NSDX, NMCE. In briefly, I'm explained. Then exchange in India, MCX is a brief and bigger work in your commodity exchange. Then multi-commodity exchange. Then multi-commodity exchange, MCX. The MCX in India, largest commodity exchange, and I explained in last lecture. Then popular in trading market. Then was original promoted by financial technology and software companies. कोणासाठी करते develop? Promote कोणाला करते the financial technologies. The financial technologies like for example making of software of Tally and etc. Then software company which one easily develop your software and sell it. For example your anyone software. Okay. Then capital market space. Capital market space बनवते. It's focused on the trading of billion and non-ferrous material. कणावर करते तर ट्रेडिंग इन बिलियन करते. नो फेरियस कमी ना छोटे छोटे मटेरियल एनर्जी and the number of agriculture parts. Okay. Then NCD means National Commodity and Derivative Exchange under the work with ICICI Bank and NABARD with LIC. The तीन companies मिळून तीन different number of banks are to become it comes in operation to 15 December 2030. ह्यांच्याबद्दल आपण स्टडी केली आहे. The NMC CI means National Multi Commodity Exchange of India. In this National Multi Commodity Exchange of India मध्ये काय आहे? The exchange was originally promoted by the Trade Kailash Gupta and Central Warehouse Corporation CWC in 2002. It's headquartered in Ahmedabad, and its work for copper to menthol then trading regarding to crops, crops वर ते जास्त हे करतात, means agriculture part. How to trade the commodity fair and future in India? काय आहे? The step one, choosing the broker. Step two, depositing margin. And step three, across to information and trading in plan. Okay. The next one is benefit of commodity market. क्या benefit है? Diversification in your business. Then second one, inflation in promotions. Third one, liquidity, higher returns, and trade on long, lower margin. Okay, lower margin वर easily trade होते हैं. It means the cost are deducted, the cost deduct झाली, and maximum sale is generated here. Then the product cost is reduces. If product cost are reduces, then business are easily developed and easily and reasonable cost customer are purchase your goods. Okay. Then today's topic is key participation in the commodity future market. कौन participation करता है? The first is the robust market in the is not just judged by the availability of trading product and the regulatory mechanism, but also by the quality of participation in market. The same is the case of commodity future market too. While there are thousands of traders who are the trading in one of the various precious material, industrial material, agriculture commodity, these traders are participants can be broadly classified into four ways. And these four ways today I am explain. Okay. In short this concept explain करतो. आपल्याकडे कुठलं फंक्शन असेल तर घरचेच फक्त काम नाही करत, ते your relative also combined there. It means that your relative is also participate mostly as 100% as you. Like here, just commodity बनणं आणि विकणं is not your business or not a commodity part of commodity market. Here other than some work of business and market are done here, which is indirectly or directly affected on your commodity market, which today are your study. One by one we can study. The first is जसं की इथे बोललं ना, a robust market, a tough market, tough market होण्यासाठी is not just judged by the availability of trading product. Just विकण्यासाठी काय आहे and regulatory machine आणि विकणारा कोण आहे, the way of sale of purchase, electronic, non-electronic, take आहे, but also the quality of participation in market. Also quality of participation market. काय quality? The quality like your share market, also in one by one name, goodwill of your business, and etc. The same in the case with commodity future market. In same case, तुम्हाला future market वर study करायचे तर ह्याच गोष्टीवर तुम्हाला लक्ष द्यायला लागणार आहे. For example, if your share are in a higher post, your market capture in a higher post, then your business in a higher post. Then while there are the thousand of traders in same goods, the thousand of traders who are the trading in, who are in trend, कोण तुमच्या टॉप ट्रेंडवर आहे, which one is found the business and the best business. For example, तुम्हाला कुठल्याही प्रोडक्टचं नाव ऐकल्यावर कुठली कंपनी आठवते, ही इज इन ट्रेड, इडिंग इन ट्रेड. ओके. इन फ्युचर मार्केट टू आता पण असेल आणि पुढेही. While they are in thousand of trade, while they are in thousand of trades who are the trading in out of the various participation method. आता जर खूप आहे, थाउजंड इन बिझनेस आहे, then कोण आहे जो तुमच्यासाठी बेस्ट आहे, हु इज इन युअर बेस्ट पोझिशन. Industrial metals and agriculture commodity also. In industrial metals and agriculture commodity. Industrial metals means the industry produce करते हैं, the production of non-agriculture, and also agriculture commodity. It means agriculture commodity just growth होते हैं आणि आपण घेतो नाही. The best commodity, best quality commodity without mixing वाली commodity is like for which one is trader are best. Your studies must. The classification of very important, and each of this category of participation is unique important market and commodity of robotics and market is on way. तोच ह्या मार्केटमध्ये टिकू शकतं in future and this make the best market capturation and on. Okay. The next one is the first. Here I'm telling the four. I'm telling here classified in the important is these categories in unique part of four categories. Okay, unique part of four categories. Out of this four categories, the first is commodity market specular and specular. Specular means सट्टेबाजार. Commodity विकताना सट्टेबाजारी होत नाही, but it's a part of your business and part of your commodity market. How can it work? Then listen, the specular are in the market is very short period. सट्टेबाजी is a short period. Short period means जो सट्टेबाज असतो is a jeweler, gambler. जो जुआ खेलता है. The gambler is short period for you. He's work for a future profit in just short period. Okay, they may look at existing their long or short position within the same day or may look at the existing few days. एका दिवसामध्ये किंवा पुढच्या 2-3 दिवसामध्ये कसं प्रॉफिट येईल ह्यावर तो पॉलिसी बनवत असतो. In short, is a intra-trade in a trade business. Intra-trade in a trade business. It means सकाळी 10 वाजता शेअर विकत घ्यायचं आणि संध्याकाळी 4च्या आधी शेअर मार्केट बंद होण्याच्या आधी विकायचं and getting profit. It's a one-day trade. It's an intra-trade. Also, I am regarding found here. Spectral also the popular referred to as an intra-trade in the equity derivative market. जर ते इक्विटी कॅपिटल मध्ये काम करतायत, they are also gambler, shareholder, share market broker are a gambler. Speculators are the largest, ignoring direction to the market and are willing to the trade both ways. कुठल्या वेजने काम करतात, and that are on the long side and on short side. कुठले वे असणार आहे, लॉंग साइड or शॉर्ट साइड, and they are must accepted the short side. कमीत कमी वेळामध्ये जास्त जास्त. Speculators typically try to ensure that they are on the side of the movement, the market overall on the speculants commodity. Are the trading? ते कुठल्या साइडला जाणार? Which commodity are getting the profit in last time? For example, if two market share is here, the Bajaj is there and Reebok is there. The speculator, the rate of Bajaj and Reebok are same in the time of 10 a.m. But त्यांना माहित आहे की Reebok is a forming business. Then he's selected the Reebok as compared to the Bajaj because Bajaj मध्ये 10 रुपये भेटण्यापेक्षा Reebok चे 100 रुपये आपल्याला आवडणार आहेत at a one time. Okay. Then the main thing is, since the speculator really is having a minor trading opportunity in the commodity market, they are existing base. They are a speculator trader on technical part characteristics. Speculator trader in characteristic markets they are existing the base. That speculator traders very important role playing commodity market. In the sense they are provide liquidity in market, also ensure that bid ask spectators bid करत असतात regarding to the one day. But हे spectator किती time काम करणार आहे? Just a one day or maximum 2 to 3 days. Gambling position वर करतात. Just gambling with his risk, and the risk are different and on different time. Okay, keep it the bear and minimum bear करतात. Okay. The next part is direction margin traders. In short, असे margin traders direct करतात, wholesaler and all. Then margin काय असते? Production, high production but low cost. Wholesaler जर high rate वर विकेल तर आपला जो छोटा असेल तो किती rate वर विकणार आहे? That's why director of margin trader is spot trader. These traders have the slightly long-term view. The long-term view, motor capital production, unspeculative commodity. Compared to the future as proxy for the buying the commodity in the spot market as the benefit of margin holding the sports position. The margin traders use future as proxy the sports position by buying the margin. The margin traders is not only willing to wait for till expire but also forward the position. Margin traders normally not really too much technical but have a very strong fundamental premises, due to the which very willing bear this role the cost carry the position longer. This trader of this margin traders typically give him to trade the analysis regarding which commodity attract long-term interest and action leads to indicated the indirectly shift. Okay. In short, the first आपण ऐकलेलं आहे कमोडिटी मार्केटमध्ये स्पॅक्युलर. तर स्पॅक्युलरच्या सारखा असतो बट थोडंसं ह्याच्यामध्ये माइंडेबल वर्क असते. स्पॅक्युलर हा डायरेक्टली गॅम्बलिंग खेळतो, इथे हा गॅम्बलिंग खेळत नाही बट ही टेकिंग अ रिस्क लाईक अ गॅम्बलर. स्पॅक्युलर these trade have a slightly longer view of speculator specific commodity. So she selected specific commodity compared to the speculator who typically operate at the short and the market. शॉर्ट पिरियड मध्ये स्पॅक्युलर सारखा शॉर्ट पिरियड मध्ये जे काय होणार आहे त्याच्यावरती तो लक्ष देतो आणि त्याच वस्तूवर लक्ष देणार आहे ज्या वस्तूने ते काम होणार आहे. मार्जिन ट्रेड डिसाइड करतो मीन्स आय एम इन्व्हेस्टिंग 10 रुपीज मिनिमम 15 रुपीज तरी मी घरी घेऊन जाईल. The trading is available. The future market is depend on your future sale. Future market means it's decided that today I am selling 10 rupees, 10 rupees goods. Then I tomorrow also I'm decided to sell these goods at 15 rupees. Okay. Then willing to wait the till expire, but also willing to take the long period contract. तो लॉंग पिरियड कॉन्ट्रॅक्टच असतो त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला थोडकं थोडकं करून मॅक्स प्रॉफिट उचलायचं असतं मच ऑन द टेक्निकल हॅव द व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग फंडामेंटल प्रिमायसेस टू विच दे willing to bear the role to trade and analysis regarding which commodities are attracting long-term interest and profit. Okay. The next point is sport or future everyday. Sport and future everyday play a very unique role in a commodity market. They are actually even out. They actually even out the pricing inflation in market, but trying to look in separate before understanding how they are operating the equity of market. If Tata is unique, Tata quantity is rupees 4,400 in the sport market and is at rupees 449 in a stock future market. In simple, sport or future market बद्दल तुम्हाला सांगतो. Here you accepted the sporting spread असते तुमच्यामध्ये ती तुम्हाला यूज करायला लागते. For example, you accepted the gold at in 2008 at 30,000 rupees. आणि तुम्ही ते का विकत घेता की फ्युचर मध्ये तो 30,000 ते 60,000 होऊ शकतोय बिकॉज गोल्ड रेट आर डे बाय डे increases. If other than the rate or decreases of gold than जर किंमत उतरायला लागली तर the future aggregation म्हणजे तो जो सट्टा खेळला नाही त्याने त्याच्या पैशाबरोबर त्याच्यामध्ये तो लॉस एक्सेप्ट करतो. But he like to accept this loss because the future price is maybe the 90% is future oriented. But if done in future, the market is sale is done there, production is done there, work is done there. जर ते झालं आणि सेल झालं तर हे होणार आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इकडे आपण टाटा मोटर्स बद्दल बोलतोय. जेव्हा टाटा मोटर्स प्रोडक्शनची कॉस्ट बनवते द मिनिमम द कॉस्ट इज 440 इट्स मार्केट रेटच्या हिशोबाने ते डिसाईड करते. बट मिनिमम 449 ने इट मीन्स 450 इक्वल ने सेल करते. इन फ्युचर इन द स्टॉक फ्युचर मार्केट डिसाइडेड की 449 तरी आपल्याला कलेक्ट करायचे. इफ यू डिसाइडेड 450 तर 449 तरी आलं पाहिजे. Tata Motor future at 449. That's why he can look in the sure profit of rupees 9. The return of interest 2% for 1 month. On the expiry date, sport and the future position will be expired at the same price. जर तसंच झालं तर no return of interest, but sale are done here. The rate of commodity is here. Production cost is collected by Tata Motors by you. हे सर्व होतं. Is a future oriented market and sportization. Firstly, the sport future market is commodity are regulated in different regulations, which makes it more complicated. Then secondly, uniquely equally commodity have its additional cost in the form of transportation charge. It means the Tata Motor ने 449 मध्ये विकलं and then but you not getting the rate of 449. तुम्हाला तेवढ्या रेट मध्ये ते भेटत नाही. The reason is remaining costs are there. It means the transport cost, insurance cost, storage charges. However, the other charges are including in your vehicle. Then the Tata Motors sale is the cost is a 500 and more than maybe 500 then. The minimum, the bottom line is generated here. And time of sport future item, the bottom line. Here bottom line is 440. Maybe it's 449. Okay. Bottom line is generated here is that the aggregate spreads are the commodities, the position in future. By irony, out of any pricing anomalation, the aggregation will not only make unassured profit, but we assure that the market become more efficient in process. Efficient होतं. काय efficient होतं? Because time of advertising the cost is 440 or 449, but time of sale the cost is more than 500. As per the rate of 440, the maximum customer attract with you. कम इन युअर शोरूम, तो येणार, तो मिनिमम बोलणार, बघणार आणि वस्तूचं व्ह्यू बघून जाणार. इट्स अ अट्रॅक्शन ऑफ मार्केट. Okay, and the market may Tata Motors work today in market. Just 2% return from you, the हिशोब असतो त्यांचा, just 2% return. Each and customer 2% return, but 2% return is in lakh, huh? Okay. Then the next and last point is commodity price and hedging. Hedging are the both participants who are the underlying export the participation the commodity. Let's assume that the assuming was that the large order of silver that you need to deliver to jewelry. Hedging are those the participants who have the underlying expose the participation in commodity. Let's just assume that you have a large order of silver. तुम्हाला एक मोठी ऑर्डर भेटली आहे सिल्वरची. Then you need to deliver to jewelry after 3 months. कधी द्यायचं 3 months. Today the last point is the risk over and the next 3 months. आता पुढच्या 3 महिन्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ते पैसे भेटणार आहे. यू आर अ क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन विथ अ प्राइस. तुम्ही सॅटिस्फाय विथ दिस प्राइस की टुडे तुम्हाला एक 1,50,000 फॉर 3 मंथ भेटणार आहे, तेवढ्याची ज्वेलरी द्यायची आहे. बट इन फ्युचर ॲज अ कन्सिडर की तेच 1,50,000 3 महिन्यानंतर चांदी या सिल्वरचे रेट आर इन्क्रीजेस आणि तुम्हाला 5 लाख भेटू शकत असते. दॅन मग तुमचं काय असेल डिस्पाय युअर डिस्करेज इन्करेज म्हणजे डिस्करेज व्हाय की मी जर थोडकं विकलं असतं 3 मंथ त्याने कम्प्लिटली जास्त कमवले असते. You are satisfied with the price of silver today, but you are appreciate that 3 months silver future short. By doing so, you are the looking in your position at price that is prima facie attractive to you. You are there and the you are the indifference to the price movement of silver goods up to, but they are the in the jobs of the speculator. As a hedger, your job is to protect your downside risk, and that is something you have to manage effectively. Hedger are the trader will with genius exposed to the underlying the market and hence lend stability in creativity to commodity market and else. Here we are studying इथपर्यंत आपण आधी केलं होतं. टुडे वी आर स्टडी द की पार्टिसिपेशन हे 4 कुठले पार्टिसिपेशन करतात त्याने कमोडिटी मार्केट मीन्स त्याला घर के सुतून होते यू नो कॉलम्स असतात त्याच्यावर घर उभा राहतो. जसे येतं 4 कॉलम्स ऑफ युअर कमोडिटी मार्केट. द फर्स्ट इज कमोडिटी मार्केटिंग स्पेक्युलेटर. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण सट्टेबाजी काय आहे त्याने बिझनेस कसा होतो लाईक इंट्रा ट्रेड अँड ऑल याबद्दल डिस्कस केली अँड ऑल दॅट. And this is effective on your business because also growth of business is there. Okay. Then direction and margin trade. Directional margin trade. ह्याच्यामध्ये कसे डायरेक्शन्स असतात आणि मार्जिन ट्रेड असतात ह्याच्यावरती आपण डिस्कस केले. ओके. देन स्पोर्ट फ्युचर अँड ॲट्रिब्युटेड. स्पोर्ट काय आहे फ्युचर काय आणि ॲट्रिब्युटेड काय ते मार्केटचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फ्युचर रेटच्यावर आपण कशी डिस्कस केले लाईक टाटा मोटर्सने कसं कॉन्फिडेंट केले होते 440 त्यांनी कन्सिडर त्यांनी 449 पण आले चालतील. दॅन बघ त्याच्यावर आपण डिस्कस केलं. दॅन ते 449 टाटा मोटर्स घेतोय. त्याच्यानंतर स्पोर्ट्स चार्ज आहे ट्रान्सपोर्ट चार्ज आहे इन्शुरन्स आहे स्टोरेज आहे दॅन द व्हेकल ट्रान्सपोर्ट आहे. ह्याच्यात नंतरची कॉस्ट होते इज अ मार्केट अँड रोडवे कॉस्ट ऑफ युअर व्हेकल. ओके. दॅन कमोडिटी प्राइस अँड हेजर. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण केलंय की कमोडिटी प्राइस काय त्याच्यावर हेजर म्हणजे तो रिस्क काय घेतो ॲज अ रिस्क टेकिंग अँड दिस रिस्क इज युजफुल फॉर दॅम इन यू नेक्स्ट टाइम कसा त्याला तो रिस्क ॲक्सेप्टेबल होतो त्याच्यावर आपण डिस्कस केलं. ओके. If any doubt in this lecture just WhatsApp me on your group. Okay. Thanks all of you.